Welcome back. We're currently adventuring off down the Chesil Beach. There's a weather warning in tonight, severe rain and wind. So we're heading on down to the coast. We're gonna have a cheeky little camp out in the 1994 Toyota Surf. Done quite a bit of work on this recently, and she is running sweet. We'll catch you down the beach. So, we parked up for the night. I'll show you the little spot. Let me show you what we're working with. It's a pretty chill spot, to be fair. It's this little grassy area just off the beach. Of course the sea's just down there. But yeah, drove quite a way up this track here. It carries on going all the way along. Yeah, pretty cozy little spot. Man, this is cozy. Got a sheepskin rug. Oh. I've got my sleeping bag here. I'm just laying on it, I'm too lazy to get in it. My god, it's cozy sleeping in the surf. Especially when you're tucked up next to a gallon of brake cleaner. Like that really gets you sleeping well. Oh, I'm gonna settle down now. Properly get into bed. Finish the wine, watch some bushcraft YouTube videos. Ovens, Rocky Mountains, I expect. If you know, you know. But yeah, I'll see you in the morning. I'm just gonna settle down now. Have a good night's sleep. Get up 6 o'clock tomorrow. See what's going on, and then unfortunately head to work. But yeah, I'll see you in the morning. Bloody hell. I'll tell you what, it's 2 in the morning. I don't know if you can hear, but it is absolutely belting it down out there. The whole truck keeps shaking back and forth. God. The wind. I don't know. I think we're in for a long night. I'll keep you updated. Oh, Jesus Christ. Wow, there's some serious wind out there. Anyway, let's try and get some sleep. Well, I've tried to get some sleep and my god, it is no luck. It's like someone is just standing next to the truck and just shaking it. I feel like I'm gonna fall out of bed. I'm honestly debating driving to just a little more sheltered spot, because I mean, we are right on the front of this massive offshore wind. Yeah, if this keeps up, I think we're just going to drive round behind a hedge or something, just try and get a little bit of shelter. Right, I've decided we're moving. I've looked at the weather, we're currently at 40-mile-an-hour winds. It's going to get up to 55 mile an hour within the next hour. I don't fancy being right on the coast with 55-mile-an-hour winds. I don't think I'm going to get much sleep. But yeah, I know if I carry on driving down maybe like 100 odd meters, there's like quite a big old hedge. I think if I park behind that, I should be sheltered from it quite a lot. Should stop a lot of the rocking, because it feels like I'm honestly going to get blown away. But yeah, let's just hop into the driver's seat and just drive down the track a little bit more. Jesus. God. Struggle to even open the door. Christ. That is some serious wind. Right. Let's put the keys in. Give it a bit of heat. Park. Right, it started. God, right, let's get the demisters on. I mean, it just looks normal out there really, but it is not normal. Christ alive. Right, I'm going to turn the truck around and head back a couple hundred metres and try and get a bit of shelter. I'll see you then. So I'm thinking, even if we parked behind, say, like the hedge like this here, I mean, that is gonna massively help us, but it's not really that level. So let's keep driving on a bit more, see if we can find a better spot. I certainly don't feel like driving around for ages trying to find a better spot. God. My God, I'm tired. I mean, this wind is literally, probably tough to see on camera, but it is sideways. God, I mean, you probably hear it against my window. I mean, I don't even have to use the wipers. It's not even hitting my windscreen, it's just going straight past it. Well, I'm thinking I might just park up here. I'll open the door, mate. You can see, sort of sheltered behind this hedge a bit. I mean, I'm blocking the track. Not that anyone really comes down here, but honestly, I'll be up by 6 AM. I can't imagine anyone's going to come past between. Well, it's 2:30 in the morning now. Yeah, I'll be up at 5, 6 in the morning. I think he's going to have died off by 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. So we might be alright, but yeah, apparently this is only going to get worse. So I think we're just going to hunker down here and survive the rest of the night. God. Oh, good morning. Oh, bloody hell. I've just woken up. I've just pulled my rear curtain down a minute. Probably can't see out the window, you can a bit, but it looks damn rough out there. We're supposed to be doing a roof today. God. Don't know if that's gonna happen. And also don't know if I'm gonna cook up any breakfast. Just because I don't want to stand out there in that blistering wind. I think I might just crawl out of bed, get in the truck and go. Maybe stop somewhere on the way back for a coffee. Who knows? But I slept well. I slept really well actually. The truck wasn't moving so much, which is good. Yeah, so let's get out of bed, pack up and get going. Well, I've decided to have a quick coffee. Thought, why not? I need one. Don't worry, I'll put the brake cleaner over there. That could be a situation. God, I mean, the weather's not too bad now. It's just pretty cloudy. The sea's rough as tits. God. Yeah, that was a hell of a storm we had last night. God. Glad I moved spots, because man, I was getting tossed around like a salad. Honestly, far better behind this hedge. Just a little bit sheltered, still rocked quite a bit, but you know, just way more sheltered. But yeah, let's drink this coffee and pack up. Fit in my cup over there. Well, truck's going. God. Some pretty rough conditions out there. Mind you, in midwinter, when you get real rough storms, this sea will come right up over it. Of course, that's how all these stones got here. Yeah, a few years back we had an absolute belter of a storm. Honestly, it went right up over here. And you can see how, like, look at them. Because this here used to be a proper road. I know a lot of people in my first video are getting quite funny saying I was driving on the beach, but this is actually a road. It's the old coast road. Went all the way from Bexington all the way to Abbotsbury, but over the years it's just been buried by the storms. Only a few people can really access this road now with just capable vehicles. But yeah, it's quite good really, because you're out here on your own a lot of the time now. Sit rep, we're back on the main road, heading back inland. Yeah, that was a good camp out, that was, to be fair. I always like it when nature throws you a little bit of a curveball, makes it a bit more interesting. It gets a bit boring when you camp in regular conditions. Usually the more extreme the conditions, the better for me really. A bit more fun, a bit more going on, but yeah, I mean, look at it. Come summertime, or when it kicks in full swing, I reckon we'll be down here every day. We do like a week-long camping down here, fishing, catching, a bit of hunting maybe, because there's quite a lot of rabbits around here. But yeah, we'll have to wait for the weather to brighten up. It's been pretty mank recently, but we're gonna leave it as that, and we're gonna see you in the next one.